Before replacing any body parts, please turn off the power to the goat. Turn the mower upside down. And before changing the blade, be sure to wear protective gloves. Loosen the screws that hold the blade in place, and remove both the screws and the blade. Install the new screws and new blade onto the blade deck. Ensure that the blade is flat and can rotate freely after installation. Use a brush to clean the blade deck, chassis, and gaps in the chassis. Check that the blade deck can rotate freely. Use a cloth or brush to remove dirt from the front and rear wheels to ensure the tires rotate smoothly. Clean the body components with a clean cloth, including the camera in the middle of the body, the front sensor panel, control panel, stop button, body charging electrodes, base station reflecting strip, and base station charging electrodes. Disconnect the power of the charging base station and RTK base station. Remove all the cable clips, loosen the RTK base station screws, and take the base station off the support rod. Disassemble the RTK base station support rod. It is recommended to thoroughly clean the machine and store it in a suitable indoor environment to extend its service life.